thing. Got some special friends here today for a fantastic reason. Oh my goodness! Teacher of the Year for the entire district, Mr. Lopinto!
My name is Gil Jones. I'm on your school board, and I want to introduce someone else on the school board, Amy Hanachek, right here, and also Kirsten Vittal, who's the superintendent of the whole district, and the union president, Joy Schnapper. We are so happy to be here today to be honoring your teacher. And Mr. Lopinto, we know that, well, there you go. We know that the students who walk through your classroom door enter a highly caging and caring environment, one that promotes kindness, caring, and encourages critical thinking and problem solving and supports all students in learning. Your students strive to be their best because you motivate each and every one of them. Above all, you give your students the greatest gift. You believe in them, and by doing so, you help them believe in themselves. Mr. Lopinto, on behalf of the Board of Trustees, I want to congratulate you on being named the CUSD 2019, I know it's 2020, but this was for 2019, Elementary School Teacher of the Year. We are so grateful for your inspiring work, and we know you will be a wonderful representative of CUSD as you move on to that county level awards, and then maybe the state.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. As president of the Teachers Union and knowing Steve for the years that I have here in the district, I am just so excited that he's going to be representing all of us at elementary school, at the district level, at the county. So this is a wonderful thing. Give him a big hand, boys and girls. This is so exciting. Congratulations.
Thank you so much for coming out, everyone from the district that want to see our wonderful school as well. So, my goodness, we're so excited. Please stand, everyone. We're going to do the Pledge of Allegiance.